Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today's episode is all about caring for your microfiber cloths and mop pads. Before we start, please take a second and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. Comment below if you won microfiber cloths and mop pads. Microfiber cloths and mop pads are amazing cleaning tools. They are designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. These cloths are made from tiny fibers that can reach into the smallest crevices, ensuring a thorough clean. They are super absorbent and grab onto dirt and grime. This means they can pick up more dust, dirt, and liquid than traditional cleaning cloths, making them incredibly effective for all kinds of cleaning tasks. But to keep them working their best, you need to wash them properly. Proper washing ensures that the fibers remain effective and don't get clogged with dirt and oils. Think about it, your cloths and mop pads pick up bacteria and germs as you clean. Over time, these germs can build up and reduce the effectiveness of your cleaning tools. If you don't wash them well, you'll spread those germs around the next time you use them. Yuck! This can lead to a less hygienic home and even potential health risks. Proper cleaning gets rid of the bad stuff, so you can have a truly clean home. Washing your microfiber cloths in hot water and avoiding fabric softeners will help maintain their cleaning power. This also helps your microfiber products last longer. When you take care of them, they remain durable and effective for many uses. When you take care of your microfiber, it takes care of you. A well-maintained microfiber cloth not only cleans better, but also makes your cleaning routine more enjoyable and efficient. Not all detergents are created equal, especially when it comes to microfiber. The wrong detergent can actually damage the fibers and make your cloths less effective. Avoid anything with fabric softener or bleach. These ingredients clog the fibers and reduce absorbency. The best choice for microfiber is a gentle laundry detergent. Look for a detergent that is free of dyes and perfumes, which can also build up and damage the fibers. A little detergent goes a long way. Too much detergent can also leave a residue and affect the performance of your cloths. The temperature of your wash water can impact how well your microfiber cloths and mop pads get clean. Cold water might not be enough to break down grease and grime, while extremely hot water can damage the delicate fibers. Warm or hot water is ideal for washing microfiber. Warm water is usually sufficient for everyday cleaning loads. If your cloths or mop pads are particularly dirty, use hot water. Just be sure to check the care label on your specific products for any specific temperature recommendations. The heat helps to loosen dirt and grime, allowing the detergent to work more effectively. Section 4. Drying low and slow is the way to go. When it comes to maintaining the quality and longevity of your microfiber cloths, the drying process is just as crucial as the washing process. High heat is the enemy of microfiber. Exposing your microfiber cloths to high temperatures can cause irreversible damage. Just like with hot wash water, high dryer heat can damage the fibers and shorten the lifespan of your cloths and mop pads. The delicate fibers that make microfiber so effective at cleaning can become brittle and break down when subjected to excessive heat. The best way to dry microfiber is on a low heat setting or by air drying. This gentle approach helps preserve the integrity of the fibers, ensuring that your cloths remain soft and effective for a longer period. If you're using a dryer, choose the lowest heat setting possible and tumble dry on a gentle cycle. This method minimizes the risk of heat damage while still effectively drying your cloths. You can also hang your microfiber cloths to air dry. Air drying is an excellent option, especially if you want to avoid any potential heat damage altogether. This is a great option if you want to be extra gentle on your cloths or if you don't have access to a dryer. Air drying can be done both indoors and outdoors, depending on your space and weather conditions. Avoid using dryer sheets, as they can leave a residue on the fibers and reduce their effectiveness. The residue left behind by dryer sheets can clog the fibers, making them less absorbent and less effective at cleaning. Section 5. Simple steps for a long-lasting clean. Properly caring for your microfiber cloths and mop pads doesn't have to be complicated. With just a little bit of attention and care, you can ensure they remain in top condition for a long time. Just follow these simple steps to keep them clean, absorbent, and effective, and you'll be amazed at how much longer they last. 1. Use a gentle laundry detergent, free of fabric softeners, bleach, dyes, and perfumes. These additives can break down the fibers and reduce their effectiveness. 2. Wash in warm or hot water, depending on the level of cleaning required. Warm water is generally sufficient for regular cleaning, but hot water can be used for more stubborn dirt and grime. 3. Dry on low heat or air dry. Avoid dryer sheets, as they can leave a residue that diminishes the cloth's absorbency. Air drying is the gentlest method and helps maintain the integrity of the fibers. By following these simple tips, you can extend the life of your microfiber cloths and mop pads, saving you money and reducing waste. Not only will you get more use out of each cloth, but you'll also be contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Plus, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you're cleaning your home with fresh, effective tools every time. A clean home is a happy home, and with these easy steps, maintaining that cleanliness becomes a breeze. Thanks for taking time to watch today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.